Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Escape power steering problem and the potential problems associated with it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Power steering problems in the Ford Escape are commonly described as heavy or stiff steering, intermittent loss of steering assist, warning messages related to steering, unusual noises while turning, or steering effort changing at different speeds. Verified owner reports and service information show that power steering concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Escape model years and generations, with causes varying based on steering system design, electrical components, and maintenance condition. One verified and frequently reported cause involves electric power steering system behavior. Many Ford Escape models use electric power steering, and issues with the electric motor or control system can reduce or eliminate steering assist, especially at low speeds. Another confirmed cause relates to steering angle or torque sensor behavior. These sensors provide input to the steering control system, and irregular or inaccurate signals can cause inconsistent steering assist or warning messages. Electrical supply or battery voltage issues are also documented factors. Low battery voltage, weak batteries, or charging system irregularities can affect power steering operation, since electric steering systems rely heavily on stable electrical power. Wiring or connector issues have also been reported. Loose, corroded, or damaged wiring connections can interrupt communication between steering components and control modules, leading to intermittent steering assist loss. Steering control module monitoring behavior is another verified consideration. Software-related issues, stored fault codes, or internal module faults can trigger reduced steering assist or warning indicators. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include recent battery replacement, software updates, temperature-related electrical behavior, or previous steering-related repairs. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include checking battery and charging system health, scanning for steering-related diagnostic codes, inspecting wiring and connectors, verifying sensor operation, and updating or replacing steering control components when required. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Escape power steering issues are related to electrical or control system factors rather than mechanical steering rack failure. However, experiences vary by model year, steering system configuration, and driving conditions. In conclusion, Ford Escape power steering problems are typically linked to electric steering system behavior, sensor input issues, electrical supply irregularities, wiring faults, or control module monitoring logic. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.